Beneath the soil surface, a complex system is at work. Roots, buds, and bulbs wait in silence. Once environmental conditions are right, the plants start to grow. This is the beginning. The emergence of wild flowering plants. These species specialize in rapid growth. They must exploit the available resources in a short time. Shoots break through the soil, leaves unfold. Photosynthesis begins. Energy flows into the system. The formation of flowers is a crucial step. Their mission is clear: to ensure reproduction. The relationship between plants and pollinators is extremely sophisticated. The structure, scent, and nectar production of flowers all affect pollinator behavior. Insects' sensory organs respond to precisely these stimuli. Nectar provides energy. Pollen is the carrier of genetic information. During pollination, this information is passed from one individual to another. This is the basis for the survival of the species. As plants grow, competition begins. Competition for light, competition for space, competition for nutrients. Some species grow taller. Others respond with a faster life cycle. All strategies serve the purpose of adaptation. Meanwhile, in the soil, billions of microorganisms are at work. They break down organic matter. They release nutrients. The root system uses this system. It is in contact with other plants and fungi. This underground network plays a key role in maintaining balance. Flowering plants often have short life cycles. Growth, flowering, and seed production occur in rapid succession. Seeds are dispersed. Wind, animals, and gravity all play a part in this process. The next generation is already here. As the environment changes, the composition of species changes. Some are pushed back, others come to the fore. This dynamic is ongoing, but the basic principles remain the same. Energy flow, material cycling, a system of interactions. If we look closely, this world is not random. It is extremely precisely organized. Wild flowering plants are not just there. They actively shape their environment. And they are part of the complex system that sustains life. Silently, continuously, without interruption.